Okay, on the way home tonight, I was told that the Flint Bridge was going to be closing early. It's my way home to Connah from the Wirral, and I was told that the reason it was closing was because Top Gear might be filming on there tonight. Anyway, I drove down the road. There was a few police cars knocking around, and then when I got to the lay-by, as we're coming up to here, I noticed a wagon parked up. It's all blocked off, and there's some interesting looking vehicles covered up there, as you saw as you're driving along the road. So there's something extremely tasty in that wagon, and it looks like there's three of them, so I'm assuming it's going to be the Top Gear gang. And also, as you head up to the bridge here, the suspension bridge that goes across the River Dee, on each side of the road you might notice that they have lighting and other such items along the bridge here. You see this van, and then there's a pile of lighting on both sides of the road and some chaps standing around. So there's definitely something going on. The bridge is due to close around about 6:30 tonight on the 3rd of June 2021. So there is definitely something happening along the Flintshire Bridge. I'm not quite sure what they're up to. They did film a Ford advert along this bridge not that long ago, and that was running for quite some time, so it looks as though someone's taken notice of it at the BBC. Thought that might be a good location to do a bit of Top Gear filming. So allegedly it's Top Gear. I don't know, there's some tasty looking cars. I doubt they're doing Fast and Furious along here, but you never know. But the rumours are it's Top Gear. And they may be filming in Connah tonight. So if you see this video on the 3rd of the 6th, I'm going to try and get it up before 6 o'clock if I can. You might be able to go and have a nose, get your binoculars out, your telescopes, whatever, and you might actually get to see whatever's going on over there. Right, okay, well, I'm going to go and get this uploaded, so hopefully you might be able to spot something if you're passing by.